now we're going to have a word of prayer. I'd like you to join with us if you'd like to. Dear Lord, as we gather here on this beautiful sunny day, we thank you for your greatness to each and every one of us. Lord, as we come together, we don't know each other, but we know, Lord, that we're in your love and care. We ask now to go through this short service together, that you will be with each and every one of us. Amen.
It's good to see so many of you sitting there and sharing the time with us.